Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you can see here, this one is a promoted ad. So today's we are going to learn how to run an ads on Reddit platform. So this you can check, it is a promoted ad. So if I'll click on this, I will directly land to this company landing page, and this is a lead collection form. Okay, we are going to create a new campaign. So this one is a automatically create a campaign using content from your website, right? So if I'll click on this, you can use your URL if you want. So if you are running ads on this, so this is a display profile, and mainly the pixel size of any particular image or any banner you wanted to show or video, then you can directly upload here. The pixel size of this banner would be 1080 by 1080. I'm using this one. This is a completely perfect banner, and the pixel size of this banner is 1080 by 108. So there is no need to put your URL, and in this you can put some headline. So I have given this headline, and you can select the call to action button. For example, if you go with sign up, or you can use another one. So I've used contact us. So in this here you have to use your landing page. Okay, so for example, I'm using this landing page, or my website name is digiwebengineering.com. So if I want that, I can promote this website directly. So if I'll promote this website, then what will happen, I'll click here, so it will look like this. So it is my homepage banner. Sell any particular product, then you can click to particular like a URL. Or for example, I'll copy this and put it in my landing page section. So I have put this, and if I want and change the image, then I can change the image also. So I am checking the image. For example, I can use this also. So this one is my second image, and this one is my first image. Okay, so I have replaced the image, and if you want, then you can add a parameter section, and this will be the tracking template. Okay, so if you want allow comments also, you can click on that. And if you click on the targeting delivery, so estimated impressions are 470k to 880k, and estimated clicks are 3k to 5.8k. So these are the weekly result, and if I'll click on daily result, so it would be 429 clicks, and estimated impression would be 7.67k to 126k. So there are two options available here. One is broad match, and second is customize. You can customize also. So for example, if I want to run in India, I can click on that. If you want, then any particular city also. So I clicked on this, and you can select the particular cities also. So I click on this, and I have selected the particular cities. So my daily budget is $50, and you can start. You can put a start date, and the last one is like setting a credit card method. So you need to add the credit card, valid credit card or Visa credit card. If you are an Indian, you want to run ads in US, then you have to use Mastercard. Okay, Master or Visa card. Rupee card will not work, so you have to add credit card over here. And I've used only simple image. So in the publish image, when I'll go with it, will come under review, and after passing through the review, then it will be promoted in US target area. So this is my all session about. So if you are new to my channel, then you can subscribe to my channel and share it.